So welcome students. In this question you are asked to find the degree and order of the differential equation whose solution is given by ax square plus by square is equal to 1. Now how do we get this? So you know that you have two arbitrary constants in the solution. So obviously we can very easily find the order of this differential equation. The order has to be equal to 2. The order of this differential equation has to be equal to 2 because the order of the differential equation is equal to the number of arbitrary constants. The thing that we don't know is the degree of this differential equation. The degree of the differential equation cannot be directly found out. You have to get the differential equation, then observe the degree of the differential equation. So to do that, first let us do the differentiations. We can do two differentiations because you have two arbitrary constants. So when I do the first differentiation, I get 2ax plus 2by dy by dx is equal to 0. This 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So ax plus by dy by dx is equal to 0. I'll send this ax onto that side. by dy by dx is equal to minus ax. I'll send this b here and I bring this x here. So y by x into dy by dx is equal to minus a by b. Y by x into dy by dx is equal to minus a by b. So you get this is a constant. Now if you differentiate this again, both a and b will get eliminated. So let us differentiate this again. So if you differentiate this, this is y times dy by dx by x is equal to minus a by b, right? So if I differentiate this, I have to differentiate using the quotient rule, u by b method. So if I differentiate this, you get divided by x square vu dash, that is x times differentiation of this. What is the differentiation of y dy by dx? You need to use product rule. Y times d square y by dx square plus dy by dx into dy by dx. dy by dx whole square. X times this minus vu dash minus uv dash. Y times dy by dx times differentiation of x is 1 is equal to 0. This x square goes onto that side, it becomes equal to 0. So effectively you have xy d square y by dx square plus x times dy by dx whole square minus y times dy by dx is equal to 0. So this is the corresponding differential equation. So what is the order of this differential equation? Order is the highest order differential that is present. The order is equal to 2, right? Order is equal to 2. And degree is nothing but the highest power of the highest order differential. You should not see the powers of dy by dx. The highest order is d square y by dx square. What is the order of? What is the highest degree of d square y by dx square? You can say that the degree, the power is equal to 1. So the degree is 1 and the order is 2. Thank you.